Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel, Glam Girl. How to get glowing glass skin in winters. To maintain glowing skin in winter, consider these tips. Hydration, drink plenty of water. To keep your skin hydrated from within, moisturize, use a rich, hydrating moisturizer to prevent dryness. Gentle cleansing, cleanse your face with a mild, hydrating cleanser to avoid stripping natural oils. Exfoliation. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen even in winter to protect your skin from UV rays. Humidifier. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air. Preventing skin dryness. The balanced diet. Consume foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants for overall skin health. Protective clothing. Wear scarves, hats, and gloves to shield your skin from harsh cold winds. Limit hot showers. Hot water can strip your skin of natural oils, so opt for lukewarm showers. Healthy fats. Include foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish and nuts, for skin nourishment. Nighttime routine. Apply a night cream with ingredients like hyaluronic acid to boost overnight hydration. Avoid harsh products. Choose skincare products with gentle, hydrating ingredients and avoid those with harsh chemicals. Stay active. Regular exercise boosts blood circulation, delivering nutrients to the skin and promoting a healthy glow. Proper sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Dye masks. Try natural DIY masks with ingredients like honey, yogurt, or aloe vera for added hydration. Vitamin C. Include foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus. Lip care. Use a lip balm to prevent chapping and exfoliate lips gently to remove dead skin. Please subscribe.